What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Wanted to show my fake street racing sticker because Marty loves it. Anyways, today Rob's gonna teach you how to install catch cans on the RS3. You know, good friend Rob. He's always cruising with us, hanging around with us, and all that stuff. If you don't know who he is, I'm gonna put a link in the description. Here's the Instagram, and I mean, he has the RS3 now, but if you don't remember him from that car, maybe you remember him because of the Z011 LE, the C7 Corvette, the S550, the magnetic one, or the before that, before we even started recording a couple months ago, he had a Redis 197, blue Honda Accord, his dailies, all his other cars, who knows. Anyways, I'm gonna leave you with him. Enjoy. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and comment, letting us know, you know, whatever you think. All right, enjoy.
Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're gonna install some parts on the RS3, some much needed parts. This car has a little issue with the DSG and launch control. Once you start launching them hard, this little thing right here starts to spill oil everywhere. If you can look, you can see up here there's oil residue everywhere just because of it. If you are going to be tracking a car or anything, it's highly recommended to do that. As you can see, it spilled oil everywhere, so we're going to change this out. Just a filter, it just pops right off. Has this little piece right here where we're going to heat gun it out, and then we're going to add the IROZ DSG catch can, which is this right here. Just that little fitting goes down there, and then it goes attached right there. We'll show you how that goes. It comes with a couple pieces for it. One is a hose clamp and some screws right here, mostly to attach. You're going to remove these two screws, and that's where that's going to go. We're also going to install their engine catch can for the oil. That one comes with a couple more pieces in that one, a couple hoses. These are also IROZ pieces. It comes with a bottom line drain hose if you choose to attach that. I probably will not attach this, as I would just rather take out the catch can. It goes on this side of the engine. It just sinks in right there. You'll replace this screw right there with the screw they give you, and then let's get started. Now the tools you're going to need is you're going to need one Allen wrench, 532. You're going to need a 10mm, also a T30 torque screw to get out the film, as well as a wrench, and that's about it. Goes the first part of it. Comes right out. You can see this thing is trash. There. Now they send a little clamp there, but it'll probably require you to cut, and I don't want to really cut, so I'm gonna just use two zip ties in its place. It's gonna do the same thing pretty much. So the first zip tie is in there. I'll put a second one right underneath it just to make it tighter there. Probably gonna work better. Now IROZ sends you one clamp, but it will require you to cut this fitting, and if you ever decide to put the stock one back in, for whatever reason, it would not reach to where you would need it to be. So we'll just put one on top of the other, and the idea is that one will lock one into place, and it is on there pretty tight. So shorter screw goes on top part, and the longer screw is going to go on the bottom. So that would be the long screw. Washer also goes on the bottom. Pass it through. And this is where you would need your Allen key to get it on. First couple ones, I don't know, it's gotta break it in, I guess, the screw thread. I would probably recommend to just tighten it down a little bit and see where the tank's gonna line up, and then go from there. Next, we're gonna take this screw out right here. We're gonna need that T30. Same thing with this. Washer goes at the bottom, screw goes on the top. Now I am going to see how it fits and where is the holes lining up there and here, and make sure that it is on par before I tighten the bottom one. And so it looks like right there is about right. I'll take that out, tighten the bottom. Now I will place the catch can in its place. Now it does come with a hose for the bottom that you put on to make sure that the drain plug is gonna drain from the, if you want to do it from the bottom of the car. However, I don't think I'm gonna be doing it that way, so I will just take this out and release these two and this and call it a day. And that's where it would get mounted. This would get plugged back in here, and then you will either fit your fitting through here that way, and then this one of course is going to go to that. So the next thing you want to do is take out that screw, which I'm going to do now. So on stock, guys, this is actually bolted onto the elbow inlet itself. With this here, you're gonna have to take out your engine cover to get to the L key. Take it out. Done. Make sure the O-rings are there. You can see it has OU in there. You're already gonna bend this one this way. The new one comes with its own O-rings. Now they do send you a 10mm to replace this. I always test fit stuff and make sure that it is working properly before I just. Alright, so it fits perfectly. So the first hose, which is the longer hose, which will go to this fitting, the longer hose. You will probably just fit in there, make sure it's there. You are going to need the 10mm for the new screw. Not too tight, it is a plastic piece. So this one comes also with a new screw that'll replace the stock one that was in this hose that you took out, and it would go on the shorter hose, which is going to go here at some point. Now lining the hose will be up to you. This first one's going to go right here, so I would probably suggest just to line it, screw it down, and and then come back with your wrench and tighten it all the way. This second hose, I am debating on how I want to route it. If I route it this way, I think this would probably work best right here. So we will put the shorter hose on there. Oh, make sure those O-rings are not messing up in there. You want it to just go on kind of smooth. So the one thing I do see is we're probably gonna have to maneuver this way a little bit just to make it there. And then, okay, so let's take that 10mm that they give you that actually works better because it fits in the housing better. I'm surprised that it didn't come from factory like that, but I guess not too tight because it is plastic. You don't want it to break. So that's about as tight as it's gonna get. And turn it. It's gonna go to this last fitting here. First, I'm gonna take some. This hose you can move out. So tighten this here. It's pretty hand tightened. I don't think you really need more than that. But we'll give it a little tugs with the adjustable wrench. That should probably do it. Yeah, it's about as tight as you're gonna want. Then just clamp this back down here, and that's it. Engine catch can and DSG catch can installed. Now is the moment of truth. Make sure nothing's leaking. Start her up. Let's go check her out. They got no leaks. Tight. It's tight there. No leaks here. There. This one, the only place it would leak would be down there. And that looks pretty dry to me. Nothing there. See, look underneath. That would be down here. I don't know if you can really see it, but right here, that is your drain. So you want to make sure that is completely locked. You don't want to leak all your oil out of there. So that's locked. I did not attach the drain valve to go to the bottom of the car. I'm just gonna go ahead and remove this, and drain it that way. I don't feel like getting under the car just to drain the catch can every 2 months or whatever it may be. As far as this one was just, it's a actually reverse tank, so it would automatically drain itself back out to the DSG. Reason I'm doing this is because, not only because of the spill, but it's also going in for DSG service. After all the hard launches, I want to make sure that it's fully ready to go. With the pandemic, we haven't been to the track, but I'm hoping to get there soon and see what it does. And there you have it. That's how you install the IROZ DSG catch can for the RS3, as well as the engine catch can for the RS3.